MORryde customers, so a question we get a lot of times in service is, does my truck have EOH? And I can show you a real quick way to find it in your truck if it has it already programmed in. So let's take a look at the dashboard here. So when you come over to the dash, you're gonna go over to your trailer, your towing, and trailer setup, select OK. Change trailer settings, scroll down, change brake type, hit OK, select the trailer. You want electric over hydraulic. Lots of times it's already on the default surge. This one's already wanting the electric over hydraulic, OK. And you back it out, and then you want to change your brake effort. Select your trailer, and you want high. That's already set there. And then you can click OK, back it out, and it should stick. That's how you do that on a Ford. In this case, we're sitting in a Dodge Ram currently, so it's a little bit different than what previous ones that we've done. But for this one, you'll come right straight to the center dash. You'll come down, you'll find Vehicle, select, and then go to your trailer. It's already on that for me. Go to whichever trailer you've got hooked up. You might have a couple programmed in, but the one that you're towing with our suspension on is the one you want. So we'll say this one. We'll go to there. It'll give you the option of a braking. So you go there. You got light electric, heavy electric, which is what this one's currently set for. Light electric over hydraulic and heavy electric. For our suspension, you want the heavy electric over hydraulic. So you'll select, and you can back it out, and you see it stuck, and you're good to go.